कर दो ना, आई डोंट रिक्वायर, अलग से स्पॉट आता है। नाउ इट्स ओके बिकॉज देयर इज नो स्पॉट ना। म्यूट करो,
एडमिट सबसे पहले
एडमिट ऑल ले ले, हो गया ज्वाइनिंग।
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dear. Good morning, all of you. Good morning, Mohit.
Good morning, ma'am.
Madhusudan, you have also come. Madhusudan, I didn't see you in the last video. You have joined recently, Madhu?
Yes, ma'am.
क्यों कहाँ गए थे?
From village.
Not good, beta. It's so class 10. Now you be regular, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Good boy, good boy. Let everybody come. She will come. She's a good girl. गया नहीं? She's going online. That I know. इनके तीनों के वीडियोस भी बंद है क्या? शिवांश,
Yes, ma'am.
their videos are closed.
Yes, ma'am.
Open your videos. Mohit, Mohit to is open. Ravi, Sanjay and Shivansh. No, Ravi and Sanjay. Ravi, Sanjay, open your videos. Sanjay. Yes. Everyone has to look at me.
Yeah.
They come very late. Madhusudan, म्यूट योरसेल्फ।
Yes, ma'am.
मधु म्यूट योरसेल्फ, म्यूट कर दो एक बार। Khushi, why your video is not on? Khushi, on your video. Avni, on your video. Khushi and Anvi. Yes, Anvi.
Ma'am, I just want to ask that when you will, you said that you will take oral test.
I will definitely one day. Don't worry. Very soon I will conduct that. Okay? Mute yourself. Mute, Avni. हाँ देवेंद्र, what do you want to say? देवेंद्र.
मैम आपने कहा था ना वो सिलेबस भेजूंगा मैं जो रिड्यूस हुआ वो।
Just after doing this, I will send the video. I am in syllabus. Definitely after this, I will do that first work. Okay? How many were there today in the maths class or science class? 25. Only 15 have come. Huh? 15 have come. From tomorrow onwards, we will not wait. Okay, let me start. Yes, children, I am going to start now because only 15 participants are here. Tomorrow onwards, we will not wait for anyone. You all have to come at least 2 to 3 minutes earlier and join. We will also start that, right, children? So we were doing our second story, that is the thief's story, and which is written by Ruskin Bond. And I told you Ruskin Bond is an Indian writer with British descent. That is, his parents are English and he lives in Darjeeling, I told you. So children, why Gauri is not able to join? Time lagta hai. Then again we are wasting time. Anyways, so the story, how much we have done, that there are two. You do, I will start. So children, what have we done so far? We have in our story a thief and an employer who employs the thief. That is Anil. Anil is 25 years old, whereas the thief is 15-year-old. And he keeps changing his name. The thief keeps changing his name every month. And why? Because he wanted to be ahead of police as well as his previous employers. Because if he steals and he changes his name, then his identity is not disclosed to a larger extent, and he keeps fooling police as well as his employers. So this is what is the character called Hari Singh. This time when he has met Anil and he is employed by him, Anil told that he won't be able to pay him. So Anil told him that he should cook for him and he will pay him, he will give him food, he will feed him. वो उसको खाना दे देगा, बदले में वो खाना बना देगा. And there was no other salary discussions. The salary was in the form of food, that he will be giving food. So this much we have done yesterday, children. And today we will start. We did some questions also. Today's questions which we will find out are, how does the thief think Anil will react to the theft? This is the question. When we will read, the answers will come. The questions are given first and then the prose portion is given in which we should find the answers. What does he say about the different reactions of people when they are robbed? If the people are robbed, what type of reactions do they give? What do poor people give? How do poor people react when they are robbed? How do rich people react when they are robbed? So what are their ways? How they react, the rich, the poor. But here, what do you think will be the reaction of Anil when he will be robbed by Hariram or Hari Singh? He will become very sad because he is given him a lot of trust. And he says he was the person who has trusted him so much that he even gave him the keys of the home. Sorry, maybe am I audible properly? सुना जा रहा है बेटा? Nod your head. Head nod करके.
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा.
Yes, ma'am.
Good, good. So children, I shall read for you now. Anil was asleep. Now Anil had brought a bundle of note by selling a book to the publisher. He had sold his book, and for that he had got money, and he brought that money and kept it under the mattress where he used to sleep. There he had kept, and Hari Singh saw that. And now at night he will think whether to steal it or not. Okay, children, this is the story. I will quickly read and you will understand. I have already given you 17 hard words, difficult words and phrase, and its meaning also yesterday in PDF. So you all have to write. First story ke 40 hai, second story ke only 17 I could see, which are useful for you or which you may revise. So you write your own, use the phrases and words in your own sentences, and sentences should be made in a way that the meaning of the phrase and words are clear by your sentence, right? So that is your classwork of this chapter before writing question answers. So do that. Anil was asleep. A beam of moonlight stepped over the balcony and fell on the bed. Now see, Anil was asleep and there was a ray of light coming on him also. And I sat up on the floor. Who is I? Hari Singh. Who is I? Hari Singh. Considering the situation, if I took the money, I could reach the 10:30 express to Lucknow. He thought if he steals the money, he can run to the railway station and from there he will get an express which will go where? It will go to Lucknow and he can run away to Lucknow, right? So that was planning going on his head. He was sitting on the floor. He was not asleep. Slipping out of the blanket, I crept up to the bed. Whose bed? Anil's bed. Who crept? Hariram. Crept is past tense of creep. Creep means to crawl. Chup chap, crawl karke jana. That is creep. Anil was sleeping peacefully. His face was clear and unlined. Anil's face was clear and unlined. There were no lines on the face. So a person who is tension free has no lines. Zyada lines nahi hai. So his face is very clear. Whereas we will read that I had more marks on my face, though mine were mostly scars. So whose face is scarred? Nishan kiske face pe scars? Scar matlab nishan. Scarred matlab nishan lage hue. Scar can be used as noun as well as verb. Here they have used as verb. So his face was scarred. Yani uspe nishan the. So whose face was scarred? Hari Singh. Whose face was unlined and very plain and smooth without tension? That was Anil's, right? So my hand slid under the mattress. Slide ka past tense is slid. So whose hand here? Hari's. Hari Singh is the narrator of the story. So for I, we have Hari Singh. His hand slid under the mattress, searching for the notes. When I found them, I drew them out without a sign. Anil sighed in his sleep and turned on his side towards me. I was startled. Startled means shocked. Started nahi hai, dekho startled hai, L hai. So I was startled means he was shocked because he turned his side and his face was in his front when he was sliding his hand under the mattress to take out the money. Right? Yes. कर दिया? So Bhanu, why you have come so late? Children, from tomorrow onwards, everyone has to come in time. Everyone has to come in time, I am telling you. Ravi, video dikhao, Ravi and Pramod. Show me where you are sitting, Ravi and Pramod. Ravi, Pramod, Ayushman. वीडियो क्यों ऑफ है आपका? आयुष्मान, ऐश्वर्या, अवनी, इनके वीडियो क्यों ऑफ है? Why your video is off? प्रमोद, हाँ ऑन रखना है वीडियो. भानु, अवनी, ऐश्वर्या, switch on your videos. मधुसूदन, प्रमोद, पुलकित, रवि, आप लोग स्विच ऑन क्यों नहीं कर रहे अपना वीडियो? हाँ, ऐसे ही रहना आपने सबने. अभी भी ऑफ चल रहा है लगता है इनके. हैं आयुष्मान तो आ गया ना. चलो ठीक है. ओके. नाउ भानु, स्विच ऑन योर वीडियो. भानु, भानु प्रताप, switch on your video. When I was startled and quickly crawled out of the room because he had stolen the money. When I was on the road, I began to run. Who is I again? I am asking. Ravi, Rajpurohit, बताइए. Ravi, unmute yourself and tell me, Ravi. हाँ Ravi, who is
Yes,
I?
ma'am.
Who is I? Ravi.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Who is I in the story?
Ma'am.
कौन है? हरी सिंह. Remember, he is Hari Singh.
No.
ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Thief.
Yes, ma'am.
He is the thief. What is his age?
Chief.
क्या एज है?
15.
Very good. He is 15 years old. Good. Manan, where are you? Manan, I'm talking to you, Manan.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, why you are chatting also when you are studying? You are chatting with others. आप मैथ्स में पढ़ रहे थे, you were chatting with me. अब मेरे साथ पढ़ रहे हो तो जरूर चैट कर रहे होगे. Stop chatting and please listen to the teachers. You are in class 10 and by the way, you know the result is very good in our school. The result is very good. Although we did not, our children did not top the district. तो दिक्कत हो गया, लेकिन 90% children, Manan, look at
मेरा आ रहा है.
90% बच्चे 88.8 से लेकर के 93 तक है. सारे बच्चे हमारे 88.3 to 90%. Our children are 93, सब ऊपर है. So that is very good thing. Even Harish Beniwal got first division 64%. Harish Beniwal. So our all children are first divisioners. They are merit holders and they have got very good marks. 99 तक 100 में से आए हैं. हिंदी में भी, मैथ्स में भी, इंग्लिश में 96 है हाईएस्ट. So children have done very well. तो अभी मैं चाहती हूँ कि डिस्ट्रिक्ट टॉपर आप में से हो. So हम 5 to 6 students, those who are showing interest, उन बच्चों को हम स्पेशल तैयार करेंगे so that they can be somewhere 100 on 100. So ये हमने सोचा है and we will be choosing those 5 students very soon and we will be letting you know. इन टेस्ट के बेसिस पे डिक्लेयर होगा. टेस्ट के बेसिस पे कि किन 5 को हम सिलेक्ट करके 5 to 6 और 7 जो फुल ऑन फुल टाइप है and then we will give them that much coaching extra so that you people get 100 on 100. ठीक है? चलो quickly I'll finish off the story. When I was on the road, I began to run. I had the notes at my waist, held with the strings of my pajamas. पजामा पहना होता है, उसमें रस्सी होती है, स्ट्रिंग नाड़ा होता है जो, उसमें उसने क्या किया था, notes. He had tied his notes in the waist. At the waist, he had tied with his string of his pajamas. ठीक है? Who? Hari Singh. And he was running out. He was running to the station, railway station, because he want to get out of the city. And the train used to go to Lucknow. That was Lucknow Express. ठीक है? I slowed down to a walk and continued the notes and counted the notes. 600 rupees in 50s. Yes, Manan, aap batao. 600 rupees in 50s. What does it mean? Anji Manan, you tell me. 600 rupees. Unmute karo apne aap ko. Unmute yourself, Manan.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
600 rupees in 50s. 600 rupees in 50s. क्या मतलब हुआ? 600 rupees in 50s. बाबा 600 रुपए 50-50 के नोट में थे, तो कितने नोट हुए? 600 रुपए हैं तो
12.
तो लिसन ना बेटा, इतनी देर थोड़ी ना लगनी चाहिए. चलो अनम्यूट करो. वेरी गुड मनन, गुड. 12 you should say. I could live like an oil-rich Arab for a week or two. अब 600 रुपए में वो एक oil-rich Arab, जो तेल के कुएं होते थे ना अरेबियन पीपल के, अरब कंट्रीज के लोगों के, पुलकित सिट स्ट्रेट. सो तेल के कुएं जितने अरब जैसे रिच लाइफ वो जी सकता था 600 में. बिकॉज दिस स्टोरी इज सेट लॉन्ग बैक व्हेन 100 रुपीज वाज अ बिग अमाउंट. तभी वो 1-1 रुपए बचा के खुश होता है ना सब्जियों में से. आज के टाइम में 1 रुपी हैज नो वैल्यू. वी नो 5 या 10 की थोड़ी सी वैल्यू है, isn't it? So with 600 he thought for 2 weeks he will live like a rich or oil-rich Arab person. When I reached the station, I did not stop at the ticket office. I had never bought a ticket. Hari Singh ने कभी टिकट लिया था कभी? No. He had never bought a ticket, right? I did not stop at the ticket office, but dashed straight to the platform. Dashed मतलब ran. एकदम से भागा ही गया. कहाँ? State platform पे. The Lucknow Express was just moving out. The train had still to pick up speed, and I should have able to jump into one of the carriages, but I hesitated. For some reason, I can't explain, and allows the chance to get away. Did he? Yes, you can raise your hands. Raise your hands. Did Hari Singh get the train? Did Hari Singh get the train? Yes, Khushi? Khushi, tell me. Yes, Khushi? Did Hari Singh get the train? Haan.
No,
he did
ma'am.
not get. Why? What is the reason?
Because he hesitated to
Very
catch the train because of some reason he didn't mention.
Very good. Very good, Khushi. So this is the appropriate and correct answer, that he hesitated. उसको एक हिचकिचाहट हुई. He did not do that, very confidently. There was time for him to climb the train, to board the train. ट्रेन को बोर्ड करने का टाइम था, but he did not go. The reason that time he didn't know, because what we think that it was very difficult for him to break Anil's trust. जिसने उसको अपने घर की चाबी दे दी, उसका ट्रस्ट तोड़ना बहुत मुश्किल हो गया. So it was very difficult for him to break the trust of Anil. So Hari Singh did not board the train, and he sat there on the station and kept thinking, what should I do? ठीक है? When the train had gone, I found myself standing alone on the deserted platform. Deserted means alone. जहाँ से सब लोग चले गए हो. Deserted platform. Deserted here is alone. One desert is like Rajasthan, which has sand. Another desert is alone. Another double S desert is pudding जो हम खाते हैं dessert खाने के बाद. रात को स्पेशली जो हम मीठा खाते हैं खाने के बाद, that is also dessert. It could be ice cream, it could be गुलाब जामुन, कुछ भी हो सकता है. ठीक है? So many desert are there. This desert is to be alone. I had no idea where to spend the night. I had no friends, believing that friends were more trouble than help. So शिवांश आप बताइए, why Hari Singh did not have more friends? Unmute and tell me. वो क्यों अपने ज्यादा दोस्त नहीं बनाता था? Hari Singh, Shivansh.
And because their friends gives trouble.
Yes, he thought that
Friends
will
give
not
trouble.
help him, but they will be troublesome. Why? Because he was a thief, and if he made friends, then he will be recognized. He will be recognized. Very good, Shivansh. So, and I did not want to make anyone curious by staying at one of the small hotels near the station. अब वो hotels में भी नहीं रहना चाहता था जो just by the side of station थे. हर station के पास, railway station, bus stand के पास छोटे-मोटे hotels और छोटे-मोटे कमरे होते हैं, guest house type से, so that people who come, they can stay there. Then if they want to board another day's train, they can go like that. रात को जो आए वो वहाँ रह सके. So he did not want to stay there. Why? Pulkit, you tell me why he didn't want to stay at some nearby hotels. Pulkit, please tell me this answer. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Pulkit.
Yes, ma'am.
Because he did not want anybody to be curious. वो नहीं चाहता था लोग उसमें इंटरेस्ट लें, सोचे कौन है, रात को कहाँ से आया है, कहाँ रह रहा है, कोई जान पहचान वाला भी ना मिल जाए. तो he didn't want to make anybody curious. किसी को उसके अंदर इंटरेस्ट नहीं लेना देना चाहता था. राइट? क्यूरियस होता है, keen desire to know, और ज्यादा जानने की उत्सुकता. कि लोग ना ऐसे करते हैं अपने इंडियंस तो खासकर ज्यादा, कौन है, कहाँ से आया है, क्यों है. So that is helpful also in a way, and it is, you know, breaking our privacy also. So the greedy, yes. Next, the only person I knew really well was the man I had robbed. Leaving the station, I walked slowly through the bazaar. कहता है एक इंसान को जानता हूँ जिसको मैंने rob किया, जिसको मैंने steal किया, जिससे money, and that was Anil. So he came out and started walking towards through the bazaar. In my short career as a thief, I had made a study of men's faces. यहाँ पे देखो answers है. कहता है in my career of stealing, मेरे चोरी करने के प्रोफेशन में I have come across many people and I have seen them and I have studied their reactions, right? So what is that reaction? He is saying, I had an idea where to spend. Yes, in my short career, the greedy man showed fear. जो लालची होगा उसकी चोरी हो जाएगी तो what will be his quality? What will be his reaction? He will show fear. डर जाएगा. जो बड़ा लालची होगा वो डर जाएगा. The rich man showed anger. Rich man को गुस्सा आएगा कि मेरी कैसे किसी ने चोरी कर ली. Poor man showed acceptance. जो बहुत गरीब होगा वो एक्सेप्ट कर लेते हैं. देखा है ज्यादातर गरीब लोग बेचारे रिवोल्ट नहीं करते. They don't protest. They don't show anger. वो एक्सेप्ट कर लेते हैं. कितनी भी ज्यादती हो गरीब लोगों पे, ज्यादातर वो एक्सेप्ट कर लेते हैं, उसको मान जाते हैं. They accept it. But I knew that Anil's face, when he discovered the theft, would slowly show only a touch of sadness. Why Anil will be sad? Who will answer me? Raise your hands. Why Anil will be sad to know about the theft? Yes, Shivansh, tell me, Shivansh. हाँ शिवांश बताओ.
Ma'am,
Why he will be sad? Not angry, not frightened, not normal, but he will be sad. दुखी हो जाएगा वो. दुखी क्यों होगा? Because anyone? Yes, Avni, तुम बताओ. Avni, you tell me. Avni, you have raised your hand. Avni, बता. Bring mine here. Yes, children. Why Anil will be sad? Because children, because Anil trusted him. Yes, Anil trusted him, so he will be sad. वो दुखी होगा, वो गुस्सा भी नहीं आएगा उसको, वो cheerful भी नहीं हो जाएगा, वो इसको accept भी नहीं करेगा, but he will be very sad because his trust is broken. So to break anybody's trust is very bad. बहुत बुरा है किसी के भरोसे को तोड़ना, isn't it? And your parent trusts that you are studying well. I trust that you are studying well. So please study properly. Don't shake your camera. Whether it is your phone or laptop, इसको shake मत करो. Shake मत करो, steady रखो. So children, not for the loss of money, but for the loss of trust. Answer भी दिया हुआ है. I found myself in the Maidan and sat down on a bench. This Maidan is Hindi word. The night was chilly. Chilly means Manan, chilly. Manan, chilly. What is meaning of chilly? Manan, chilly.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the meaning of chilly?
Chilly.
हाँ. The night was chilly. अब मिर्ची मत बोल देना कि रात मिर्चीली थी. Night was chilly means night was cold, very cold. जब chill use होता है जब बड़ी ठंड हो. ठीक है मनन?
Winter. Winter.
Winter की जरूरत नहीं है. All winter is not chilly. Chilly is when it's very cold. I found myself, it was early November and a light drizzle added to my discomfort. Drizzle मैंने कल word meaning दिया है. Drizzle. What is the meaning? Madhusudan? Madhusudan, you tell me the meaning of drizzle. Unmute करके बोलो. Drizzle क्या है? Drizzle. कल मैंने दिया है meaning. Thin rain. जब पता है आपको छोटी छोटी बूंदाबांदी होती है, बहुत थोड़ी पतली पतली बारिश होती है, फुहार जिसे कहते हैं. Thin drop of rain.
Light rain.
हाँ, फुहार जिसे कहते हैं. तो drizzle क्या है? Thin light rain. What is drizzle? Thin light rain with thin drops. मोटे मोटे drops नहीं. It's not rain. It is thin, you know, फुहार जिसे कहते हैं. तो फुहार आने लगी, ठंड भी थी, तो that added to his discomfort. उसने उसकी discomfort में add किया, यानी उसको और trouble हुआ. एक तो सर्दी, ऊपर से बारिश. Soon it was raining quite heavily. Then it started raining heavily. My shirt and pajamas stuck to my skin. कैसे stuck हो गए skin को? Because they were wet. They were wet. गीले हो गए तो they stuck to his body. And a cold wind blew the rain across my face. और मुंह पर भी बहुत ठंडी और rain आ रही थी. I went back to the bazaar and sat down in the shelter of the clock. The clock showed midnight. 12 बज रहे थे. I felt for the notes. They were damp in the rain. नोट जो हैं वो गीले हो गए थे. उसके रुपी नोट जो वेस्ट में उसने पजामा से बांधे हुए थे नाड़े से, those became wet. The notes which were tied at his waist with the strings of pajama, they got wet. वो गीले हो गए. Anil's money in the morning, he would probably have given me 2 or 3 rupees to go to cinema. अब देखो सिनेमा जाने के लिए 2 या 3 रुपए मिल जाते. That means 150-200. 1 रुपए की कीमत 100 रुपए के बराबर हुई. समझ गए? तो वो कह रहा है कि सिनेमा जाने के लिए वो तो दे ही देता उसको इतने रुपए में से 2-3 रुपए, और उसको ट्रीट करता, उसको खाने को देता अच्छा. और above all, the best thing was that yes, I was telling you the best thing, that he was learning to read and write, and he was given lessons, and he was educated. Yes. हेलो बेटा, अनम्यूट कर दो. घर से जिसको डांट पड़ रही है अभी. किसको पड़ रही है? Okay, children. So I had forgotten about them. I couldn't cook his meal, run to the bazaar, learn to write whole sentences. तो वो भी दुख था उसको कि अगर उसने चोरी कर ली, now he will not be able to learn. I had forgotten about them in the excitement of the theft. चोरी के एक्साइटमेंट में भूल ही गया था कि उसको लॉस कितना होने वाला है. Whole sentences I knew could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. It was a simple matter to steal, and sometimes just as simple to be caught. But to be really big man, a clever, respected man, was something else. I should go back to Anil, I told myself, if only to learn to read and write. See, a thief also understood the importance of reading and learning. थीफ को भी पता चल गया कितना फायदा है पढ़ने लिखने में, क्योंकि उसने कहा अ थीफ इट इज वेरी सिंपल टू स्टील, बड़ा आसान है चोरी करना, कहता उससे आसान है पकड़े जाना, मोर इट इज सिंपलर टू बी कॉट, सो इट इज बेटर टू बी एजुकेटेड एंड बी अ रेस्पेक्टेबल मैन। वो एक बड़ा आदमी और रेस्पेक्टेबल आदमी बनना चाहता था, राइट? I hurried back to the room feeling very nervous, for it was much easier to steal something than to return it undetected. कहता है चोरी करना आसान है, अब रिटर्न करना है वो भी बिना पकड़े, undetected, without being caught, so it is very difficult। वो कह रहा है कि बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, ठीक है? I opened the door quietly, then stood in the doorway, रास्ते में खड़ा रहा। In clouded moonlight, Anil was still asleep, वो सोया हुआ था। I crept to the head of the bed and my hand came up with the notes. I felt his breath on my hand. हरि राम के हाथ के ऊपर उसकी नाक से सांस आ रही थी, ब्रेथ उसकी फील कर पा रहा था, क्योंकि वो वहां क्या रखने गया था? मनी। He wanted to slip money inside his mattress, under his mattress, under the mattress. I felt his breath on my hand. I remained still for a minute. Then my hand found the edge of the mattress and slipped under it with the notes. I awoke late next morning to find that Anil was already made the tea. अनिल ने अगले मॉर्निंग जब वो लेट उठा तो क्या किया? चाय बना ली थी। अब उसने पैसा जो है अंदर रख दिया था। Now he had kept the money which he had stolen. अब बहुत ध्यान से सुनना, very important and very interesting. There was a 50. अच्छा, he stretched his hand. उसने अपना हाथ आगे बढ़ा करके दिया, किसने? अनिल ने। क्या? He had a 50 rupee note between his fingers. My heart sank. उसका दिल डर गया, नीचे बैठ गया, यानी दिल धड़क गया। His heart sank. Sink का past tense है. Sink is to be drowned. So his heart sank. Okay. I remained still for a minute, then my hand found the edge of the mattress. अच्छा, ये हो गया। I made some money yesterday, he said. Now you will be paid regularly. वो कहता है अब तुम्हें मैं रेगुलरली क्या दूंगा? तनख्वाह दूंगा। You will be paid regularly. See, it came with such a good surprise. और उसके हाथ में एक क्या था? 50 rupee note. There was a 50 rupee note. उसने 50 रुपए दिए अनिल ने और कहा अब तुम्हें पे करूंगा। और जब हरिराम ने नोट लिया, इट वॉज वेट, नोट जो था गीला था। तो व्हाट विल यू से? टेल मी वेदर अनिल केम टू नो दैट ही हैड स्टोलन द मनी एंड केप्ट इट बैक? ऑब्वियस, वरना पैसे कैसे गीले होते? रेन बाहर हुई है और पैसे मैट्रेस के नीचे हैं और वो गीले हो गए हैं। सो अनिल केम टू नो दैट ही हैड स्टोलन द मनी एंड अगेन ही हैड केप्ट। तो उसने सोचा इसको पैसे की इतनी जरूरत है कि ये चोरी करा, उसने खुद से ही 50 रुपीज दे दिए। राइट चिल्ड्रन? माई स्पिरिट रोज, राइज का पास्ट टेंस है कि उसकी भी स्पिरिट जो है, उसकी जो सेल्फ एस्टीम है एंड ऑल्सो हिज स्पिरिट एंड हिज कॉन्शियस, इट ऑल वेंट अप। राइज का रोज है। बट व्हेन आई टुक द नोट आई सॉ इट वाज वेट। टुडे वी विल स्टार्ट राइटिंग सेंटेंसेस। कहता है आज हम लिखना शुरू करेंगे। ही न्यू बट नीदर हिज लिप्स nor his eyes showed anything. ना उसके होठों ने बताया ना आंखों ने बताया कि उसको पता है उसने चोरी की थी। I smiled at Anil in most appealing way. उसने फिर अपनी impressive smile दी चोर ने, जो शुरू में दी थी काम पाने के लिए। And the smile came by itself without any effort. बिना कोशिश के ही उसने smile दी और they were very again in the same condition. Right children? So write question answers now. Questions and answers are very easy. If you want, you collect question answers doubt and you can ask me. I will explain you question answers, right? And we shall start with the third story. All right, children? So do well. You are having your 4 online Zoom classes. So all of you join that. Previous bhi pad lo sara. Doubt?
Yes, ma'am.